but to keep the commandments, that is where the problem lies. No wonder Peter said, I knew him not. Abraham Operation what? Take 2 and the song.
Do not allow idleness to deceive you. Keme, why you give him today, he steals tomorrow from you. Abrahamu, ote you sagana now.
Many want to be commanders, but not all want to obey the commandments. Wawa bono gano biso wanana o gabiso. Now take 4 as usual. Operation Y.
Do all mothers are women, but not all women are mothers. I will shut up. Now be Lord now.
Researchers says, after searching the Bible for 256 years, now declares, Tano, Christianity is by grace. Music. The shoe knows that the stocking has a hole. Christian is good, but to know God is better.
More better.
Abraham, go tell you Sanobo now. God of heaven as we make God happy at this junction of praise. Can I hear you?
You are worthy of our praises. Don't be too sure of yourself. He gave the wind that leads to heaven. Is coupled with lightning. Be prepared.
Of the whole matter. Number one, fear God. Number two, keep his commandments. Amen. This is the whole duty of man, according to Ecclesiastes 12 verse 13. Play and be blessed.